Over the past 2 years, expectations of CDMOs in pharma have changed significantly, and it is no longer just about capacity or cost. Pharma companies now expect CDMO companies to be true partners with strong digital maturity, transparent data flows, and also the ability to scale reliably under regulatory pressure. Another major shift is visibility. Clients want real-time insights into manufacturing, quality, and also supply chain risks, not after the fact, but during execution. At the PHARMAP Congress this April, we see these changes reflected in every discussion. CDMO companies, technology providers, and also pharma companies are moving beyond talking about each other. They are designing the future of manufacturing and packaging together. Join us this April in Amsterdam to align expectations, to share real operational experience, and also to move from transactional outsourcing to long-term collaboration together.